I like this little poem. However, the price we pay for not trusting is higher than trusting and feeling betrayed and hurt a few times. Blind trust is not required, but the story that Mao shared demonstrates irreversible trust. What I want to share with that is trusting a Dharma teacher, trusting the Dharma, trusting practice is very scary. Very scary. Trusting a Dharma teacher is very, very, very scary. I understand. I'm speaking from experience. It's scary because we know that this person has the potential to challenge our beliefs and even tell us we're doing some things wrong and even have the audacity to correct us. So trusting a Dharma teacher is very scary because we don't want our belief and value systems to be challenged. And by not wanting them challenged, it might be good, but it can be better. It can be better, it can be even more better. Therefore, not trusting something that is trustworthy, such as the Dharma, we will pay the price of not trusting. There are more disbenefits from not trusting than trusting. We can trust compassion. We can trust forgiveness. We can trust this. We cannot trust anger and deception and miserliness. We cannot trust. Why can we not trust them? Because they have not brought us happiness up till now. But we can trust letting go. We can trust forgiveness. We can trust compassion. We can trust our sadhanas. We can trust our commitments. We can trust our vows. But we cannot trust hatred and irresponsibility and disappointing others. We cannot trust that. Why can we not trust that? Because that has brought us many bad results. Disappointment, pain, hurt, and people going against us. So therefore, if we don't want to trust the Dharma or truth, we will have to pay the price for that. Therefore, I've amended that poem a little bit. The poem says, "Come to the edge and jump," he said. No. "Come to the edge and jump." No. He pushed me and I flew. I want to change that poem. Come to the edge and jump. But if you have a guru, when you come to the edge, you fly. There's a huge difference, but we all have to come to the edge. Come to the edge, and you'll have to jump. And when you jump, you better hope you land in a good place. But when you come to the edge and you have a guru, you will fly. I'll change that poem to what I believe. Therefore, the meaning is to trust. Trust. And the guru here is symbolic. It doesn't mean just the person. It doesn't have to mean the person. It means, as I said in the beginning of this talk, the Dharma that's being conveyed. That we listen with our hearts this past few hours. And in our hearts we know is correct. Don't be pushed to the edge and have to jump. Now you can fly. How to fly? Forgive. Forgive those that disappoint and lie and tell you wrongly and hurt you and always use you. Forgive them. And always meditate, reflect, and take action. And those who have been kind to you, take action. Never ever relax when it comes to repaying someone's kindness. And to make it one more step, never ever relax and kick back if you can make a change in someone's life. Never. Grab every opportunity to make a change in other people's lives without attachment to result. With hope for result, not attachment. The other day I gave a talk. The difference between hope for result and attachment to result. Make a difference. Push yourself. Look for opportunities. Nothing matters when you come to the edge. You either jump or fly. And for many lifetimes now, we've only been jumping. Lucky this time we jumped into the right place. But what happens if we can fly? No more fear. No more fear. The theme of this book, again, let me remind you, is Guru devotion. And let me remind you again, inner Guru devotion. Modern Guru devotion. Guru devotion with wisdom, not fanaticism. And true Guru devotion. And true Guru devotion is divided into two sections, as I told you. Read. Listen to what these people say. They're sharing their experience. Some of it's painful, some of it's private. They're sharing. Read it. They're just like you and me. And it will help. It will open up. You'll find a friend in these pages. You'll find understanding.